Let's take a look at this picture. Listen to my word. Rings. Think. Say fast. Right, rings. There's something in this picture that rings. What's the word? Rings. That's right. What rings in the picture? Yeah, it's the telephone. First, you're going to say these slowly, then you're going to say them the fast way. So everybody think about this sound. And let's do it together and making sure we're not stopping between the sound. Get ready? All right, now you're going to do it all by yourself. Take a great deep breath. Get ready. Great job saying Now you're going to say it fast. Get ready? Yes. All right, next one. Same thing. Let's do it together. Get ready? Good. Now your turn all by yourself. Get ready? All right. Nice job saying It is time to say it fast. Think. Get ready? Yes. All right, let's do it one more time. All right, this time you're going to start out all by yourself. Don't stop between each of these balls. Get ready? Good. All right, say it fast. Get ready? Yes. All right, again. Think. Get ready? Nice job saying Now say it fast. Get ready? Yes. See if you can say all these sounds without making a mistake. Think. Get ready? Good. Oh, this has a hat, so he says his name. Think. Get ready. Nice job. E. Oh, here's our snake sound. Think. Get ready. Nice job saying Think. Get ready. Good. Ah. Oop, he has a hat. He says his name. Think. Get ready. Great job saying E. My turn. I'll show you how to say these sounds without stopping between the sounds. Listen to me. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. Sa. All right, do it with me. Get ready? Sa. Now by yourself. Get ready? Nice job saying sa. Remember, we don't stop between the sounds. Great job. Now we're going to play the you, me game. So you and your parents play against each other. Every time you start when my finger moves, and then you stop when I pop it back, and you get the sound right, you get a point right in this column or this row. And then if you say the sound before I move my finger, or you don't stop before I pop it back, or you get the sound wrong, your parents get the point. All right, here we go. Think. Get ready. Good. All right, next one. Has a hat. He says his name. Think. Get ready. Good job. E. Think. Get ready. Nice. Think. Get ready. Good job. Think. Get ready. Good. All right, who's winning so far? I hope it's you. Think. Get ready. Great. Think. Get ready. Super. Oop, he has a hat, so he says his name. Think. Get ready. Good job. I made you wait a long time on that one. E. Think. Get ready. Good. Oh, he has a hat. He says his name. Think. Get ready. Good job. E. Well, I hope you won.